Zayam. I am. I am. For example, Zapa Simfkiam. I am in the class. I am in the class. Zavam. I was. Zapa Kurkivam. I was at home. I was at home. Hagade. He is. He is. For example, Hagayo Alakde. He is a boy. He is a boy. Hagavu. He was. He was. Hagayo Doctor Wo. He was a doctor. He was a doctor. Munga you. We are. We are. For example, Munga Malgiriyu. We are friends. We are friends. Munga Wu. We were. We were. For example, Munga Paparkivu. We were in the park. We were in the park. The Englishi Bunyadi aw Asasi Jumli. Number 1. The Pasimfkiam. I am in the class. I am in the class. The Pakurkivam. I was at home. I was at home. The Paparkiyam. I will be in the park. I will be in the park. Haga Khawunki Da. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. Haga Zakaunki Va. She was a student. She was a student. Manana. Dasinor videos the para mung darsare like or follow kai manana.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Basic English Language course. Nan zamunga nona sama urazda au nona sam sabakam de norazai chishoro ikru. Our teacher yau ustaz. 3 teachers, 3 ustazan. A boy yau alak. 3 boys, 3 alakan. No tasu dil tokatal chima pa di jumlo ke the singular or the plural kalima istemal kara. No singular means one. Singular wahid cheez मतलब यौ चीज तवई. For example, मिसाल one book यौ किताब, one boy यौ अलग, one class यौ सिंफ, one pen यौ कलम. नु मतलब दा ची singular one तवई. ता सोकतल ची दा टोल examples one दी. Plural means two or more than two. The plural मतलब दे द्वा या द द्वो न ज़्याद चीज़ुना. For example, मिसाल 2 books द्वा किताबुना, 3 boys 3 alakan, 5 classes 5 सिंफुना, 9 pens 9 कलमुना. नुदाव जमुंगा दनन सबक और द 10 वीडियोस द पारा मुंगा दरसरा लाइक और फॉलो कई और द मुकम्मल दे सुनो द पारा जमुंगा YouTube चैनल दरसरा सब्सक्राइब कई मनना.